I'm from
Where-
Brazil.
You have Wi-Fi there?
No.
No Wi-Fi?
No Wi-Fi. That's a different kind of connection in Brazil.
Oh, what do you have?
What is it?
It's called Power Light.
That's so cool. I never knew that.
Wait, so what's it like in Brazil? Do you guys have school there?
No, we don't.
What? You don't have school?
What do you mean?
We don't have schools.
At all?
No education?
No education.
What
So
do you do all day?
what do
Like
you do?
work in the farm and stuff?
Yeah.
You're lying.
You're
Of
lying.
course I'm lying. Of course we
You're
have
gaslighting
Wi-Fi in schools in Brazil. How would I be here if I didn't have Wi-Fi?
We believed you.
And how would I speak two languages if we didn't have education?
She's got a point.
Well, we're stupid.